Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Avantor Inc. and we have the chart for this particular company. So because the data is limited, so what we are going to do here is probably going to look at the daily chart so that we can have a better sense of understanding about how the chart has moved over a period of couple of months. And now one can see that from the lows of March 2020 it went up by 250% on the upside. So we are going to discuss about that, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now here what you need to understand here is this. Okay, so this was the previous resistance which the stock has broken on the upside. So this was the range. Okay, so now this was the range and this was the previous resistance at 19.62, which has broken on the upside. So we are going to discuss about that first. So you have your first support at 19.62, then you have 13.56 and probably your last support at 6.75. so these are all the levels one need to look at. But with this breakout, okay, with this breakout, what we are going to see probably in the months to come, for that it's a 190% worth of movement in the last couple of months. So what we are going to do, we are going to apply the same kind of logic, and the levels which we are getting right now here is at around $56 on the upside. So what one could see over a period of time or in the couple of months will be the range of 56, or will be the range which will be in between 50 and $60 probably in the days to come. But let me tell you one thing, that one must always think about the risk and reward ratio before looking into anything else, and most importantly the positioning of that particular stock and where the support and the resistance level lies, and understand the risk first, then we are going to discuss about the rest of the things. Because once you understand the risk and once you know that whether the profit is more than the risk, then it is you know worth taking those bets. But here, after this breakout, the things looks good, a positive on the upside, and what we could probably see on the upside is definitely going to be a higher range. But always use stop losses to save your profit. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.